Laptop battery drain very fast even when you turn off your laptop. There's a certain settings you need to turn off right away that prevents some startup on your device, and these settings in 30 seconds, guys, you are good to go. So if you're able to do that, let me know in the comment section. And it's very simple. Come to the search bar here, type in control panel, click on it to open it. Now it comes out like this. Click on this button to choose slash icon. It appears like this. Click on this power option. Now if you click on power option, come to this side, you see choose what the power button do. Click on it. Now here, click on this button that says change settings that are currently available. Now if this button is enabled, then uncheck this button. So once you uncheck this button, it means once you shut down your system, then your battery will stay longer than expected. Then don't forget to click on save change, then close this page. And that's all, guys. You'll be able to do that in a few seconds. If you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.